Hi guys, so today we are going to be using the Tresemmé Salon Professional Hair Styler. Looks like this. It's basically a hair dryer that you like brush at the same time. So it's like when you hair dryer and use that round brush and like, yeah. So I'm going to try it today. I think I've used it twice before. I don't have the box because that's at home, so I can't show you what it looks like in the box, but I got it from Asda on offer for like, I think it was half price for like £25. So it's really good. You can just buy it anywhere. You can even get them on Amazon, Argos, Tresemmé. They're really easy to get a hold of. So we're just going to try and see how I can style my hair with this, because I think it's meant to give like natural bouncy hair. So we're just going to see how it goes. And I think my original plan was to do a video of showing you different hair curls and that my one does, but I don't actually like some of them, and some of them are just too similar to each other. So I think what I'm going to do is, after I do this, what's my hair doing? I think I'm just going to show you guys some easy hairstyles to do that are my go-to styles. So I'm just going to start and hope that it works, because my hair takes quite long to dry, so it's just been sitting in a towel. So I'm hoping it works with my hair being wet, or I don't know if I have to dry it first, like a little bit. I've only really used this for my bangs, which are still a bit short for my liking, but should we give it a go? This is obviously the first time me using it, and for a tutorial I probably should have practiced quite a bit, because my hair is far too soggy here, and I didn't know at the time, but you need to dry your hair beforehand or it just doesn't work. It just takes too long. So my hair just wasn't working for me, and I'd recommend that you dry it more beforehand. Okay, my flatmate uses this all the time, that's why I got one, so I'm actually just gonna go ask her how it works and I'll be back. So she says that your hair should be like 90% dry, or it'll take far too long with the Tresemmé hairdryer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my normal hairdryer, which is from Sally's. Yep, it's broken, and then do that off camera because it's a bit boring, and then I'll get back to you, okay? So I'll be back in about 10 minutes, but you won't know, so it'll probably be 2 seconds. So that is my hair pretty much dry. I just like did it like and then flipped my head over, so it is pretty natural looking at the moment. The back's a wee bit more wet than the front, but I'm going to try again, and just to do it in smaller sections I think would help, because my hair's not thick but it's not thin. So I'm going to tie half of it up and see if that makes a difference. No, I'm not. I'm not. Okay, so let's try it out one more time. It is so tuggy from being dyed all the time and swimming when I was younger. But right, so this thing I heard that you're meant to like, your hair's meant to flop over. Like if I had this up, it just flops over, right? But my hair is so blonde that I can hold it up for like quite a lot. Can you see that? Oh, that's the wrong way. So yeah, so until like here, my hair's pretty much dead. So it should really be a lot shorter, but I just like being blonde. So here we are. Okay, so let's get comfy. Actually hailing down outside. Maybe it's snowing. I can't tell if it's rain, hail or snow. One sec. Yep, really bad hail, so that'll be fun when I go for my daily prep. Might just ask Lewis to grab one on the way over. Right, so I'll speed this up so you can see what's happening, but you won't hear the annoying hairdryer. One side done, and I'm not too sure I see like a difference. Like this bang is obviously a lot more styled. These look flicky, which I don't know if I love. I kind of like a straightened, but it's kind of cute. Still a bit damp at the back, so I've still got a wee bit of the back to do. But what do we think? If we like cut me down the middle, which side do we prefer? I don't think there's a huge difference, but I think it's probably just because this is my first time properly doing my hair with it. But it's actually working quite well. It moves quite easy. Oh, there is a big chunk of my hair. Can you see that? That is my hair. Yum. So I kind of think it's cute. We'll do the other half and then I will do that off camera actually. And then I will show you the finished product. So I'll be back in a minute. So I went to check with my flatmate Charlie what it was like before I did this side, and apparently this is just not great.
I just do it more like in a way so like at the bottom it flicks out so it looks a bit more like, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, well, we just did it in the way.
I just do it so, okay.
She does it every day pretty much.
Yeah, when you do it, when you're like combing through your hair, so I'll like go like that and then I'll go like that and I'll keep tugging it through until it's like almost dry.
So I did that, just the exact opposite.
Yeah.
The way in.
So if you do it that way then it makes the hair flick in, but I think it looks better flicked out. Okay. And then I'll just keep going like that.
Okay.
But your hair's a bit tuggy. But I'll just
Charlie's going to show it
and I'll show you. So like if I get a chunk of hair and I brush it through, I'll just keep going like that. Like that.
Yes, pretty much what I've been doing, just backwards.
But the wrong way.
Okay, will you do the first bit for me?
Yeah.
To show me what to do and show the viewers. Exciting. I love getting my hair done. So we're going to speed this bit up. She'll probably do the first one and then I'll speed it up so you don't need to watch me get every strand of hair done. I am watching you, I'm just watching in the middle of the camera.
My hair's pretty much it's not very easy to get on your hair.
Pardon?
It's not very easy to get on your hair.
Is it quite tuggy?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, there's no chunk of hair on there that I've cut out. Out to get some heat protection spray from her room because she likes to protect her hair, whereas mine is already damaged and I probably should start protecting it. So this bit is the bit she's done and it's obviously still flicking in even though she's going out because I've already done it. So the heat protection spray should like wet it a little and then it should be better. We're just going to continue and then I will do it off camera because she's just literally doing what she showed you, and then I shall see you in a minute. I'm going to do my own bangs, but Charlie has kindly done this and yeah, I'm very happy with it. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
You can go back to studying. Okay, well, yeah. So big shout out to Charlie for helping me do this tutorial because it's a terrible tutorial if she wasn't here.
So happy to help.
Buff it up a little.
Yeah. You could go in with the rollers, like, see on my fringe, I get rollers, I'll like damp it a wee bit with hairspray or heat protectant, and then I do my hair like in the way with the rollers, and I think it looks nicer with the fringe than out, because it goes a bit more like...
So you want my fringe to be this way?
Yeah, so like...
No, I look stupid with that.
No, it goes like out flicked still. It doesn't go in the way, like in your head. It's just when you curl it, it does.
Well, we'll do that another time because my last experience with rollers was not good. Okay. But thank you so much.
Okay.
Well, that was awkward. Thank you so much.
Bye guys.
Bye Charlie. She can't cancel you. So I am going to quickly do my bangs and then I think that's the end of the tutorial. So I will wait 2 seconds. So what do we think? Nice, bouncy, natural look? I actually really like it. And I was actually doing it right in the first place. I was just doing it the wrong way for the look I wanted, if that makes sense. So what I was doing was flicking it in the way, and what Charlie's done is flick it out the way, so it looks more natural and cute, more bouncy. So this is just like your quick going out look naturally. If you don't want it quite straight, but you can't really be bothered curling it, it's like a natural. I just think a better word than natural. It is. It's just like going to the hairdressers when you get your hair blow dried before they straighten it or curl it once it's been washed. And this is what it looks like because I am basically, well, Charlie is basically a hairdresser now. But yeah, so I think that is it. I'm very happy with how this look turns out. I know at the beginning of this video I said I would do more hair tutorial like things in this video. But I don't really want to because this is kind of cute and I am very much vibing for it. So I don't want to ruin it. But maybe I could do that on another video, just like easy hairstyles that I like to do. I just like my fringe being back, but then it looks so cute out the way. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe. There shall be a little thing here for you just to easily subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.